Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to replace a starter on a 2005 Toyota Sequoia. First, disconnect the battery negative terminal to prevent shorts. Lift the vehicle and secure it on jack stands so you can reach the starter safely. Remove shields and wiring, then unbolt the starter while supporting its weight. Compare the old and new units, install the new starter in reverse order, reconnect the battery, and test for proper cranking. Locate the starter at the lower passenger side and remove obstructing components for clear access. Secure the vehicle on jack stands and wear safety glasses. Label each electrical connector so you can reinstall correctly, then disconnect the large battery lead and the smaller control wire. Support the starter with one hand while removing mounting bolts to avoid drops. Inspect the flywheel teeth and clean the mounting surface before bringing the new unit into place. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle is great for staying hydrated during long wrenching sessions and fits most cup holders, so you won't spill oil on your tools. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Position the new starter into the bell housing and hand thread bolts to ensure proper alignment and avoid cross-threading. Tighten the mounting bolts to the correct torque and reconnect the large battery cable along with the smaller ignition wires. Reinstall any removed heat shields or components, then lower the vehicle from the jack stands. Reconnect the battery negative terminal finally, start the engine to confirm engagement, and listen for smooth cranking without grinding or unusual noises.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.